Okay, so have you ever wondered how secret codes work? Or how about how games get the item from your inventory by knowing the space you click on? In other words, you need to get something by its name and find its respective code word, price, or other associated value. Python has something like that. They're called dictionaries, and they're another data type similar to lists. Dictionaries allow you to search things up with something called a key, and use that to find a price, item in your inventory, or, as the name suggests, a definition. Anyways, I'm Pizza Bubble in the 6th lesson of my Python course. Yes, I finally stopped referring to these videos using indexes. Dictionaries are pretty simple to make, if a little more complicated than lists. To show you, let's make one called pets. Firstly, you'll need to add a pair of those beautiful curly brackets. Now, write in a key. This key is the word you will need to type, I'll show you in a minute, to get the value, which comes next. Here, the key will be dog. Make sure you put it in quotes since it's not a variable, it's a key. Next up for the value is the thing you'll get when you ask what dog means. You make a value by using a colon and then writing it down. My dog is called Oscar. Who's a good boy? So that's what I'm typing. So key colon value. Next up is a fish. I used to have a sea snail if that counts, but then one day we woke up and found it had crawled out the bowl and went outside. That'd make a great platforming game. My sea snail's name was Zebra. Goodbye, Zebra. One more pet. I never really liked cats, but for the sake of this dictionary, let's say I had a cat named Oreo. Again, I don't really like cats. They're picky? There's this cool book where there's a species of animals called werecats, which are basically feline werewolves. I think they'd make good politicians. Enough dilly-dallying. Now let me show you how to grab the value of a key in the dictionary. It's really similar to indexing. You say pets, then square brackets, and then put the name of your key in apostrophes. Let's put dog. Hit enter and you'll see my best friend. This time, to show you a bit more about dictionaries, let's make an RPG inventory. RPGs are my favorite type of game. Puzzles come second. I think a good RPG puzzle game would be Bliss. Anyways, inventory equals curly brackets. The first item would be square 1, like the first square in an inventory. Inside, we put our milk jug. The power of milk. And that's it. That's all our player has for now. But say our player went to the shop and bought a weapon. How do we add another key value pair to this dictionary? Here, I'll show you. Take your variable's name, inventory, then put in a new key as if you were trying to find it in the dictionary. In this case, square 2. Then add equals and put your value. Inventory square 2 equals, if I could decide, my favorite medieval weapon is probably a halberd. Half axe, half spear. Now hit enter and let's check out our inventory. Nice! Good job swinging that halberd around, player. That's kind of all you need to know about dictionaries for now. For more practice, check out the Conda quiz on GitHub that I put in the description. You'll need to see my video on lists if you don't know how to download it. Wait, what's happening? Haha! Level 2? Looks like that now we're fully informed on the most important data types in Python. These next lessons are gonna be fun. Bye!